All right, welcome back, guys. Luke here. I don't know if you guys realize, but we're almost at 100,000 followers on TikTok, which is beyond insane. I'm really grateful for you guys for following on TikTok. But I did make a promise, and that promise was I was going to shoot my Mazda. So since we're nearing 100,000 followers, we're about I think like 4,000 followers away. I'm going to wash my Mazda today. We're also going to shoot it today. I'm going to bring you along. I'm going to show you exactly how I shoot the car, what I'm thinking of, and just a little bit about it. So yeah, let's get to it. Now, this is the worst part. I hate putting this thing on. It takes forever to go on for sometimes. Oh, not bad today. Oh, it's cross-threaded. Fuck. Let's pressurize it. Beautiful. All right, let's go grab the spray cannon. And I know most people have like a second bucket to like clean the filthy mop or whatever. I honestly don't care about this car. When I get a car that I actually like care about and like will monitor, I'll definitely have a second bucket to have like a dirty one and then a clean one. But I got this kit as like from, I think it's called Chemical Guys. And I got it from like for Christmas one year and I was like, oh, I'm gonna do so much like detailing. I love this stuff. And yeah, I think I've used it like, I still do use it, but not as the extent I was gonna hope for. Yeah, so I think this is just gonna be a clean bucket and then we'll spray the car once, wash it off completely, spray it again, and then clean it. So attach the bucket or the snow cannon, however you want to call it, foam cannon. Now, last time I used this, I spent probably a good 20 to 25 minutes figuring out the twist nozzles and everything. So we're gonna leave it as is and just, I don't know, go from there, I guess. Let's see, this is gonna be weird. Sweet. Ow! And if anyone has any recommendations on where to get a new pressure washer, or if any pressure washer companies want to reach out, let me know. I will happily use them. Because genuinely this one is terrible. It says it's 1800 PSI, but it leaks and still does the recharge up or whatever. I absolutely hate it, and the cable is always getting caught and tangled. So if there's any pressure washer companies out there, let me know. All right, time to just rinse this car off and then we'll do another foam. All right, that took way too long for the first rinse. I don't know also what I'm doing half the time, so fuck off. It's so annoying. I almost have to talk like a rap. Wait for the beat drop and then just go into it. But I don't even know what to have to say half the time. But anyways, I don't know what this video is gonna be, so yeah. Let's just continue. Oh, now my hands are slippery. Fuck this. Oh, it's off now. There we go. Bingo. All right, second coat. Let's grab the water bucket and let's start with the quarter panel on this side first. You're probably wondering, why am I using a brush? And genuinely, I don't know. I used to have like one of those like mitt things that you'd have, but I can't remember where I put it last. And I also know I should totally be going in, not swirls at all, or not any this way and then this way. It should all be one motion. But with this car, I genuinely don't really care. But we will make it good enough for photos. And then I know with a next car that I get, I will get it PPF'd so I actually can preserve it a bit. I was gonna stick with one quarter panel at a time, but screw it, I'm just gonna do the whole car. Also, what is your take? How many Do you use a brush like this? Do you use a mitt? Do you get someone to do it for you? Let me know in the comments. So yeah, you guys are probably wondering what car I'm looking at getting for my next car. And honestly, I'm looking at getting possibly there's a couple options. I really like Volkswagen Golfs, and for the longest time I had a Volkswagen Golf R Mark 8 on order. I ordered it in 2022 and it never came. It took way too long. And yeah, it just never came. So I was like, well, screw this. Because at the time as well, I was going through some personal stuff. So I just wanted to just like cancel it and work on myself a little bit. And then just in the end, I still love golfs. I still love to shoot golfs. As you guys may know, I shoot a lot of golfs, and yeah, I love them. But I also really love German cars. I've always loved Audi. My dream reality car, as you guys know, is the Audi RS6 Avant. And so I was looking actually at like, do I just like save up entirely and just go for the dream reality? Or do I like want to build something? And long term, I think I want to build something for you guys and like show you guys how I bring it to life essentially. And also in the term of like, I know nothing about cars. I don't even know how to do an oil change. I'd love to learn, but that's why I want to build a car and then like do it all together type of thing. And like bring it out to meets, network with everyone, go on a road trip, stuff like that. I think that would be really cool, really fun. And also long term, I want to get away from the printing thing because I know that does really well for so short form and networking, but I don't want to be just solely known for that. And so that's why I'm going to be wanting to do a lot more longer form videos, YouTube content more, creator meetups, stuff like that. But yeah, so the car I was looking at recently is an import. It's the JDM model, but it's an Audi. Audi's right-hand drive Audi S4 Avant. And I really like the car. I always have liked hatchbacks, especially from being a photographer. I feel hatchbacks are the way to go, especially with having so much camera gear at times and everything. It's a necessity to have extra space. But also I love to like haul my friends around or pick them up from wherever they're needing to go, almost like a little taxi type thing. I love just picking up people and saying like, where do you need to go? We can get home safely. I'll get you there. But yeah, so I think a wagon or hatchback type form could go well. But I don't know, we'll see. All right, let's finish it off with the rinse. All right, sweet. Fuck. That took way too long, but we got there. In the end, we got there, and well, it looks a lot better. It does work. Shut the fuck up. But yeah, it's done now. We're gonna let it just air dry. I know I should probably like dry it with something, but who cares? We're gonna let this dry for a little bit, and then we're gonna go photograph it and put more suction cut marks on it. So yeah, let's put the stuff away, and then that should be dry by then. So let's get to it. We're gonna go cool off a little bit. Car's almost already dry, and then we'll go shoot it. So we just got done shooting the Mazda. We mounted so many different camera angles. We had some on the front, some on the wheels, some on the roof, some on the tail, so many awesome locations. It was so much fun to shoot actually. I actually didn't think shooting my own car would be this much fun, but it was actually pretty good. It was a little sketchy because we had some weird mounting points you'll see in the video or some behind the scenes, and also just little clips of everything going into it, but it was a lot of fun. And yeah, we're gonna get some little cinematic short form here, and then we'll be done. We'll be good to go for the video. But yeah, remember guys to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Let's roll the video.